Ki minister udah pikir mau bah hapor bagi wan pan vote ya pina. Hapor bagdan election ki wan yar Ramadan. Ki wan shing jom pi ki kro ya pi ki kublek ti ya pi keren ya pi dak tin bajai jai bah.
Tang macam support ringin niap kan lo hapom yo syam yo bansu. Kasi hap sa balik unta sa merita government.
Kadang ay kasi kapibi kadang kala. Mucho kalong kumni mentakla kala long kumni. And which is a very good thing. Kapibi mentakla kam kulo ngindengiyat umiyat itong ko terpengsyo. So which is a good thing. Kaya kabalik government ho banay July bakan weng no ikinik street vendors, kam tami stationary vendors, kiba syong si jaka, kilaliboy kis parking lot jaka muda, which is a very good thing. But the problem I see is ba directions. Taga poster badan ayu hapa parking lot jaka muda complex. Number bon ki brio, ki visitors ki tourists kim tip dan ayu pamuda parking lot jaka muda complex. Hakato kasi mga posh PB dan anong kibrio ki wan klienga. Siya kini kibrio ki ba DTR na polinti. Tenga batay ki ngalapan iki klalirong spot. See the problem about kibrio kim tip. Kibrio ki bawan na bar kim tip dan iyo apa parking lot jaka muda complex. So that's why it's very important baka vending committee jang PB barka government ki di ban boy ka posters. Boy ka direction ay barka kerteng ro. Ay kerteng bolong unique baki brio de ki ir kin long curious kin ari don iyo ang tika jaka. Ari ngi ko pet dan iyo ti jaka. So it's like that. It's just my suggestion. I don't know you will do it or not, but then it's a very fair suggestion. So, kaya baca hapo at pendiritan na bumbapan, Shalong Municipal Board, kawan baki kini ilo ikitiar kitar kini ki mobile vendors, ki brio ki bara ikitiar hakti, baki di tiar hakti na do kinong di so, hado kinong di siya.
Tukang ni pimun na rum tukang. Kira sedang menin. Temen. Kira apa jaga belum rasa hong deh.
Ikinang nagigili kang baik bang syara-syara apa maksud ndam para abu akhir yang mama ani ko ba ngate antara kamsang ko ngene ngasumbunya ampang lang banyak sebelum ang election sila muda yang bayar jam ngate la jam kitli jam la jam pamina usap tabangat kita usap la jam kanino ikitli.
So which is something walaupun kita si kata tayo kibero ki pagba ikibero ki nong ditar ikibero ki bedok kantama namar kini kibero ki invest kono ki invest ki hajar but kajing onong kajuki ki onong nak spa shi spa lai spa so spa kum tak onong so ada kajing kini jong municipal kum to it is a right thing to try because according to my understanding according to the Street Vendors Act in Pethang ne hani ki protection of livelihood. If it says protection of livelihood, according to what the municipal did, do you think so they are protecting the livelihood of the people or they are destroying the livelihood of the people? So, ka municipal ko makimto niya kataka certificate of vending. Yes, they already inform how notice ka jang kiba ki ba it is mandatory for everyone to have a certificate of vending. Be it vending outside, be it vending inside, be it vending anywhere. In the certificate of vending, already mentioned ba once you have a certificate of vending, there are these places ba kimla ban vend. So that is a very wrong thing for me. For stationary vending, yes, they cannot vend anywhere they want. To kumantay kini mobile vendors part, kibayat, kibadi kita ada kibayat kinong Aisha, kinong diso, they should be allowed. Makin yat hapolintis ingin makin di iso makin rasya yaki. Pidi man ay katakalat kalintin na makin ni kibrio hang nepet. Ini kong yong yo.
Nita haba makapor. La dati pusnam ni yat hne bola be mulai dah. Undan tingko.
Kena senang pipila ada nang ne.
Ni lai pusnam be yat. Jadi yawan ni.
Kemo umna tingko de ira. Mekane mentah. Kilap tay pipila yo nakadaw yo.
Yang be bamsya bendi hne kilat na. Tangi yang ni belah hne amdai bangi yatu le banyak kerang ni belah kusap jang. Abangi ni yati nak kusap jadi nak kusap. Amdai bangi yatu ni satu.
Di kan senang pila. Ya pila wan di sya. Bagi senam.
Angni kan? Ni lah siput senam.
Siput senam pati tingko de ira.
Ada gampang senam.
Munas sedang mentah.
Gampang menang bisnis.
Sedang menin.
Menang bisnis itu ni daerah yang kita libat. Jangan. Besar kini daerah kita libat.
Ini daerah kita libat.
Belum ang election sudah semua.
Kini kibrio hang kiladi tiar la kasnem. Tementala da pikang no ekalat kalinti ka jingyo abam jingyo di ka joki means like you are destroying the livelihood of the people. Kini kibrio kitre shitam ka khasi culture jongi ka deba pintre shitam ke egeiro. Kini kibrio kitre shitam bat singi banmien.
Ki wan disha kini ya berbisa ki wan asha kini hi temu kini ka atre kata senam mentah suppose bikin le punya government try kusung haplim
Si haplim. Madam nan kini ang ibu sa pala yan ta ba dapat syaram yo te. Subuh mentah kinong di sa pok kidon. Te subuh kami ba sundukan don kasih baladi don kasih bom ladi. Teng kini bon man kasih datang ladi. Takam ngirang api salah syaimon. Dam la syai salah syai la si singi mak kita kersian te. Pli ko ra syai menang men su kang be dong di syai te. Kan su hak. Men suwa ba songi po surok yang bawit kira pendung sapo. Aku tang matap sapo trengin liap kan hapo mi syam yo bansu. Kasih hak sa balik untang mereka government.
Kini kibriu ki asya kini kedukan kim korban khangi kedukan ke jungki tama quality sya ki kwahi baka sya kan hang to menta kini kibriu ba asya ki lawan asya ki hang to ki banong di sot ki kabam sot ki lawan poi hang to an kawai ro am kai baka le municipal am it's a very wrong thing. I know you have the power of the government but it doesn't mean you should do it that way. I will say you am kini kibriu ki bateri government am khamdam ki officials ki perkhat ba bang idon kata ka bor jong government am kin le be da ka bor e ke baro khat kuma to kasi bang PB ngaro ngana ekram itu ki kang to one we pulet yang ang ngamte par klor no lai klor no uspo klor ne udeng pongskat ngami tu yang apa kya kar raha pe tengah klap snap rayo an leave it ngakam pasngap rayo ngakram itu kam hadin thabe ngana po kata peng jungaw om yang kisko bar kar raya pe ya sa jaw ang tayanga tengah sir I can stand wherever I want I can talk to whoever I want whomever I want ang uta to snap no ulay no ki perkhat be bakaladon ka government bakiladon yang ka government power hakti am kinle bar khat ka bor Kim don sure kata ka humbleness, Kim don sure kata ka sense of understanding. You know, ban sngolem nam tak ba. Kim don sure kata barokhat. Kile beda ka bor barokhat. Kile beda ka bor ki shudat ki shusho ki shut penting ba ki ba. But the main objective of government job is public service, not to threaten the public.
Ini kaya iterwate ya.
Aktivisi ni nyempat ya keren halor ki mobile vendors nyempat ya keren halor ki seasonal vendors.
If I'm here to ask you, please stop.
Lada umman mi ro ba arden ka to kasngiyam. I don't think so bakane ka issue kala solve. Kanang yai ba do mentaro try. So antat mga. Kanang yai ba do mentaro. Kinum ala di kibro bakin di gitar ke jongking to. Tamatip de balawan mi ba arden try ta kadaw ki mentai to kibro klaya bandi me gitar ke jongking. Ki minister da pikir mau ba hapor ba ki wan pan vote ya pina hapor ba dan election ki wan yar Ramadan ki wan shing jong pi ki kro ya pi ki kublek ti ya pi kren pi dak tin ba jai ba mentaro same when you make any kind of policy when you make any kind of rule and regulations pishna policy ni pishna ta ki rule and regulations ki jong pi wan mi Ramadan se pensyai ki ba hang to bali bingin dong kame kane bali bingin dong kame katai for the betterment of the people itself pensyai ki ba ka dok no oh ang ki wan hapo office jonga. And please, people will say, I know the word people will say, kibun jam kini. Kam ka jam, ayu babon hado kata kam koridor ya ka mensim upaj ba ya ka jingyo upaj ba ya kata ka livelihood jung upaj ba. Kam ka jam ayu. What the last thing I'm gonna say is ba kado ngan ong ka man ong upaj ba bala da ko government ka kano ka rule kano ka andro am. Ngingin wan rai kata ka khoj ka suba ka jing itana jang ka thaw ka jongi. So kat kamni tang responsibility government kari ka responsibility jong yir kunjo. We should have that mindset of understanding and that civics and of kan ngide benar kata ka jumu perkhat jungi ka baklan bangin so thuai kita umni perkhatang shiman perkhatlam ndaki wer kunjo but lada ko government ko ba kibriu kin ne khoj ram bu ik dustbin apa PB pen biang ik dustbin apa PB I don't see good dustbins in PB I only see one masun no PB play ik dustbin akmado so I don't know that dustbin still there or not that's the thing kidi bandan dustbin apa PB bro away kuma kadang ka section 102 Torres ki siya fine lada ki penjabo ki tourist spot mentam what apply kata section 102 not only in tourist spot and not only for the tourist people it should apply to all the local people mana penjabo akilenti ki singkin ki babret plastic ane polinti singkin lada kim khar lada dalap they should be fined 5,000 but mana balap iki bawan report they should get the compensation of 10% from the fine that the person is paying so do it in that way and believe me if you do that in just 1 to 2 years, Meghalaya will be one of the cleanest state in India, bro. Until next time, see you guys. And please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. That's how you support me, okay? Thank you so much guys for watching. Until next time.